Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will give you a Higgsfield AI tutorial and review for 2025. So first of all, you need to come here on higgsfield.ai. Over here, you need to create your free account. Here in the top left hand corner of the screen, you will see a bunch of different options like explore, image, video, edit, assist, app, etc. So Higgsfield AI is an AI video creation platform that is designed for social media, marketing and creative projects. It basically uses the text to speech technology, which lets you generate the short clips, ads, and even the animated content from the simple prompts. So over here, once you come here, you are going to see all of the type of videos that you can basically generate with the help of it. So you need to click on that one, and then if you want to generate the image, you can upload the image, or you can simply just select the option of uh, uploading the video, and you can drag and drop the image over here. You can also use it for generating the videos. So you can click on the option of the video template, then click on the option of generate. Over here in the left hand section, you need to provide some of the details like start frame and the end frame, then the prompt which you want, then select the model, which is Kling AI 2.1 as of right now. Then you can select the video duration, which is maximum of 10 seconds. The resolution should be high, which is 1080p. So over here, once you click on the option of generate, it is gonna be taking some time to show you the results, and the results could look something like this in the right hand section. So if I talk about what I liked about this platform, I would like to say it is simple and beginner friendly. You don't need any editing skills. It is great for quick content creation for the social media. It has built-in templates that saves you time, and it is quite affordable as compared to hiring a video editor. Now, if I talk about the cons, so as you have seen, videos are very short, like only 10 seconds long, and better suited for ads and social media, but not the long form content. The results also depend heavily on the prompt that you write, and the advanced features may require a paid plan. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.